It's been a long time we've been away, but we've been working on a lot of stuff, and you'll be seeing a lot of improvements we've been working on in the coming weeks. Today I want to talk about a very interesting topic called load balancing. Load balancing is the concept of being able to share network requests across various devices or various network machines within a particular subnet or a particular network infrastructure. The whole concept behind load balancing is to share load and make sure that your application or your systems have high availability. Now, the concept of load balancing works in a way where you have a single entry point, could be a server, and then you have multiple other exit points, other servers behind that particular server. And every request that comes to the server in front of it gets divided across the remaining servers across that are behind it. There are three ways load balancers work. The first way is what we call the least connection methodology. The least connection methodology tries to check across the three servers and see which of these three servers behind the entry server has the least number of activities in it and sends traffic to that server. That's the least connection method. The next algorithm that is used by load balancers is what we call the session stickiness. The session stickiness is a methodology where whenever a request comes to the first server, it sticks that particular request to that server and doesn't share the load across the other servers for the purpose of session management and user management. This particular methodology is very valuable when you're trying to handle a website that has to do with session management for users that are logging in and have to log in and continue to use the features of that particular application. Another algorithm used by load balancers is what we call the round-robin algorithm. The round-robin algorithm is a method where traffic is shared across the servers in a sequential manner. So when request comes to server 1, it hits server 1, request comes to server 2, it hits server 2, request comes to server 3, it hits server 3, and it's shared across the three servers equally. So the routing server, which is the load balancing server, shares the request evenly across these three servers so that the load is shared evenly. The concept behind load balancing is heavily used in systems that need to scale to thousands to millions of users, and it's also very valuable in cloud computing. A lot of cloud computing providers provide load balancing as a way of making your applications to be highly available and highly redundant. Thank you very much for listening to us. We have very exciting news that we are coming up in Instagram very soon, so you can follow us for skit videos and short videos to talk more about cloud computing dev.